GoHighLevel has become one of the most popular all-in-one platform for marketers, entrepreneurs, and agencies. But before signing up, many people wonder if it's really worth it. What features does it actually offer and how does it work in real life? Stick around because by the end of this video, you will see a complete honest demo of the GoHighLevel and you will know exactly what you are getting into. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we make tech and business tools simple, practical, and beginner friendly. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and check the link in the description for the free trial so you can try it yourself. And if you use my link from the description, you can use the free trial up to 30 days instead of the 14 days. So don't miss this out. Okay, so let's dive into GoHighLevel. First, it's an all-in-one platform, which means it combines multiple tools into one. You can get the email marketing, the SMS campaign, the funnel, landing pages, CRM, automation workflow, the appointment scheduling, and many more. Everything is integrated, which saves you time and makes managing your business much simpler. One of the most powerful feature is the automation. You can set up workflow for lead, follow-up, reminders, abandoned cart message, and even clients onboarding. Once it's set up, it runs automatically, which means you can focus on growing your business instead of manually handling the repetitive task. For agency or entrepreneurs managing multiple clients, this is a huge time saver. The funnel and the page builder is also worth to mentioning. GoHighLevel allow you to drag and drop elements, customize the template, and quickly launch the campaign. It's more advanced than simpler platforms, which gives you the flexibility, but there is a learning curve. If you are new to funnel, it might take some time to feel comfortable, but at the end, result is professional and fully customizable pages. SMS and email marketing are fully integrated. You can send campaign, create the sequence, and even segment your audience based on their behavior. This lets you communicate directly with your lead and customer without juggling multiple tools. The CRM organizes all of the contacts, leads, and interactions in one place. You can track everything from lead status to client activity, which makes managing your business and campaigns much easier. So in short, GoHighLevel is powerful, versatile, and built to save you time while scaling your business. It might feel overwhelming at first, but once you get used to it, it can replace several tools and help you to run everything smoothly. Now, if you want to try GoHighLevel, you can check the link in the description for the free trial. If you use my link, you can get the 30 days free trial link instead of the 14 days. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.